I commit suicide at say 50, then people think that, oh, now for 20 years this soul will keep on hanging in a limbo because they will not get the green card on the the subsubtle world, semi-subtle world, astral world. I won't get it. But that's not the case. What I feel, and I definitely feel and know, is that 20 years ka samskaras, this much samskaras would normally have taken 20 years in the body to finish it off. Well, now the body is not there. Instead of 20, it may take 200 years.
Correct,
because there is no body.
Still,
Or maybe much more, maybe much more, hundreds of years.
because it's not a simple match.
So that is simple.
No.
So that is the reason Baba says that suicide is even worst suffering compared to even the worst suffering in hell. So compared to the worst suffering in hell, suicide is still worse, that way. So one has to be extremely...
So then these souls right now in this period, they know that Samadhi is a place to go for redemption.
I wouldn't know. But when Baba was physically there, Baba had made it known that there are so many disincarnate souls, who would like to come in the physical presence of the avatar so that they get liberated not in the sense of mukti from birth and death, liberated from this state of disincarnate soul and get entry into the subtle world so that they can come back again with the physical body. So perhaps they may, I'm sure they'll, I feel that way, that just as how this world is being, let us say, monitored, organized in a manner from spiritual standpoint, I personally feel that in that state, which is a state of limbo between the physical and the astral, the semi-subtle, you can call it, there must be some kind of guidance or some kind of spirit, because the perfect masters are the ones who are in control of the entire creation, let's put it that way. So obviously semi-subtle world, subtle world, mental world, everything is in their domain of monitoring. So just as how they monitor the gross or the physical and the subtle and the mental, I'm sure they would be doing the semi-subtle also and the astral also. So they may be guiding, they may be because of some past connection, some good that the soul may have done, or in desperation the person has committed suicide. So maybe they would be guiding such souls towards themselves, because they are the ones who can, or towards Baba Samadhi, who knows, yes. I would say yes.
See, this is only hearsay. When we had been to Hamirpur, there was one particular person who was possessed. He was possessed. He was one ex. He became wild. He became a very violent person and all that. And somebody suggested we'll go to Meherabad. And that whatever was inside said, no, you can't go. So you're asking a question, do they know? So definitely they know that there is that energy. But somehow or the other, they managed to get this person to the Samadhi. But as they neared the Samadhi, this person, with such breakneck speed, he darted away from the Samadhi. For so many days. And then afterwards, somehow, and then inside the Samadhi, something must have happened and he got exorcised.
But that is different. That is of possession. That is for being possessed. But I am sure in the same way,
incarnate soul had possessed him. So they know that this place, though we are talking of suicide and disincarnate who has taken residence. So they definitely know that that disincarnate soul was finding it an easy medium through this person to exhaust that incarnate soul's whatever. So now this body will not be available to me. So they will stall any efforts for this person to be out of their grip.
And there is other way around also. I can tell you from the medical point of view, because I've discussed it with the medical team in Meherabad, and we face these kind of things also, where they also try and possess and do things to a particular person to bring his attention towards you. So because we've seen patients who medically we couldn't explain, and at that time it didn't even occur what it could be, so we tried doing all the emergency stuff, and within few minutes, the moment everything is handled, the person suddenly becomes all right and walks away, and we think, okay, it must be low blood sugar, but it's not that. And then we realize that sometimes it's not that. It's probably the other world coming in and happening.
And what, releasing them from
No, all that I don't know all that. I don't even know that it is happening, but I can only
Correct,
say
correct.
that we would treat it like a medical emergency, and still not able to figure out that
Why?
what is the condition we are dealing with, but we will do everything what you do
By the
to
way,
an
she is a
emergency.
surgeon. Just because
So
we're
that's
talking
why-
medicine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I figured.
What happens to those people who commit suicide and they push other people to commit suicide? For example, nowadays you see a lot of parents, they throw their own children
Yeah.
away and then they
I
So
had a-
karmic, what
then how does the
I
law
had
of
a
karma
patient-
work with them? Since they are not in, they will not be coming back in a physical form for a longer.
if I understand the question correctly, in short, somebody is causing death to the other person. Like murder,
Murder,
Yeah.
murder.
like anything.
suicide.
Yeah,
That's
say
not a
they-
suicide.
Yeah, you have to pay for it.
Unwillingly.
Yeah,
Suicide.
yeah.
I'm currently.
It's like murder.
No, but they themselves then jump for their own death.
Fine.
So then how does the
So far as the other person is concerned, it's called murder. So far as the self is concerned, it's called suicide. And so the law of murder will operate and law of suicide will operate in each case.
I have currently a client whose
Murder.
mother was jumping out with her in one hand and another child in the other hand.
Oh.
This one who's my client, I'm a psychologist,
Hmm.
fell off and got saved. These two jumped.
So it's
around.
all ultimately it's all karmic, karma based, and so the law will take its own course and it will happen. Shall we continue? Shall we
Are there
continue?
different laws for?
Sorry?
Are there different laws for murder and suicide?
Of course. Yeah. Murder is murder. Suicide
And also
is
different
suicide.
types of suicides,
There are
which we are
different
studying
types
at
of
Bombay
suicide.
Center right now.
Yeah.
Like
If
suicide
you want to
done.
commit suicide, you come to the Bombay Center.
You do a
doing suicide.
book hartal.
We are doing
Yeah,
suicide.
like somebody who goes on a fast until death for a cause.
Like
That's a
if
different
my
kind of
wife is not
suicide.
cooking
Yeah,
good
that's
food,
a-
no
so
chicken, good
That's a,
money.
that's a higher
So
type.
isn't that a better
Yes,
way to commit
yes,
suicide
yes,
than to
yes.
just jump to
But that
drug
person has a lofty ideal for people. What he's doing is for the benefit
So then
of
if it negates
mankind.
some of his
It's a
Yes,
different
yes.
type of karmic.
Now some people stop eating to reduce level. That's and by that doing that if they die, then I
Anorexic, yeah, you get anorexic, yeah.
that I
So that
So
is
that
not
is not a suicide.
That's a condition.
It's a suicide. Stop. Start eating.
that is there is no hope for you.
Start eating now. Full. Everything.
There's no hope.
Except chicken.
See
That's a
now
condition, like a
Rakesh
disease.
cracking jokes also is another form of suicide.
It's a suicide.
I've been with him for 2 weeks. 2 weeks I'm with him. Suicide. Knowingly going into it. That's
Chalo. Let's read what Baba has to say about forgiveness. I think we did that, yeah. No, we did that. Again and again they plead for forgiveness, and again the Master says, I forgive. So we said that God always forgives. It's a forgiving God. Baba always forgives. Baba has said that mercy is God's nature. So irrespective of how many times we come. But yes, we are responsible for our own karma and we'll have to face the consequences of our acts. That's one thing. But when Baba says forgive, and I have given that reply that he shows us a way out of the karmic rigmarole, that.
But it is impossible for men to forget their wrongdoings and the wrongs done to them by others. And since they cannot forget, they find it hard to forgive. But forgiveness is the best charity. It is easy to give the poor money and goods when one has plenty. But to forgive is hard. But it is the best thing if one could do it.
We all know about Baba's father's story.
Mm.
So it's such a beautiful story about his forgiveness and such wisdom he had, It's common sense. It is sensible that a thing is done, There is nothing you can do to, in a sense, undo what is already done. All you can do is walk away from that person, step out of that energy so that that does not affect you, so that that doesn't suck you into his energy and make us constantly think about, as I said, give a place in our psyche, in our own being, without rent-free, that we should not do, because we are all sensible people. So something that is done is done. All we need to do is just pray to Baba and say, Baba, help me to forgive this person for whatever he has done. But as I said, on a practical level, whatever needs to be done has to be done, should be done, without any rancor, without any enmity, without any hatred, because it is required to be done as a part of your duty. But it is impossible for men to forget their wrongdoings, and the wrongs done to them by others. There are two types of wrongs. Wrongs that I have done to somebody, and wrongs that somebody has done to me. You see? So many of us may be able to forgive the other, but we are very rigid about not forgiving ourselves. So self-forgiveness is also a part of that forgiveness, where you say that, okay, I forgive myself because Baba has forgiven me. And since they cannot forget, they find it hard to forgive. But forgiveness is the best charity. Now these are Baba's words, the best charity that we can give to others, forgiveness. It is easy to give the poor money and goods when one has plenty, but to forgive is hard. But it is the best thing if one can do it. And why it is the best thing? Again, from our limited understanding, it is best because we do not allow that person to hold his sway on us all the time. Otherwise, if you don't forgive, then we are constantly remembering them. We are constantly thinking about them. We are constantly hurting ourselves. We are constantly in a state of, flux because of somebody else. Now, the example that we do is physically, supposing I take a tong and put a burning charcoal and say, Baba, haath nikalo. Immediately you will say, yaar, pagal ho gaya kya? How would I? So you are putting the burning charcoal in your whole system for such a long time, burning yourself because of the so-called faults or wrongdoing of the other. So how wise it is? It is a matter of common sense that we just throw it out and just finish it up. Because you cannot change now what is already done, you cannot change. Similarly, if I have done something wrong to somebody, out of spur of the moment, fit of anger, whatever you call it, and the moment realization comes that no, I shouldn't have done this, we should have the magnanimity, the humility to ask for forgiveness and say, sorry, I think I did not behave well last time, I'm sorry about that. Seek the forgiveness. If the person forgives, it's fine. Otherwise, you ask forgiveness of Baba and say, Baba, sorry that I have hurt you in that person, and be assured that he will definitely forgive. And so forget the matter. So as far as possible, the moment we learn the art of keeping ourselves clean and clear of all these unnecessary emotional strings attached, then to that extent, by and large, we are in a state of poise. Yes?
I've often wondered if do you have to come to a point of forgiveness to forgive, and isn't that Baba's thing to forgive? Who are we to forgive anybody? In that sense, when someone has done something to you, if you've been in an equipoise state, then
there's no need for you to
forgive, exactly.
No.
So then
It's already forgiven.
it's forgiven.
It's
Because not affected you.
It has not affected you. Many people say एक कान से सुनो दूसरे कान से निकालो.
हाँ.
हमारा इतना भी जगह काय को खराब करने का, सुनने का नहीं ना. सबसे अच्छा है.
So it's okay.
So in the same way, if you are unaffected by somebody's behavior towards you,
Then there's no question.
then there is no question, I think.
But any act which is done will have its consequence.
That
But
will
that's
be
not
with
for
that
us
person.
to
You are not affected.
Yeah.
Like sometimes it's karma, like So somebody had asked Cyrus that if I am facing something negative and I feel it's payback of some past karma, then would that person who is supposedly my friend in getting me that environment to negate my past karma, What about that person? That person gets scot free because just because that person has been a fertile ground. No, that person also
It's a
means
cause
it's-
effect, cause effect, cause effect. It goes
like
on
suppose if
and
I
on.
murdered somebody, this life I may be murdered. But just because I have murdered, I'm nullified. But that person has committed, yeah. No other person may have that karmic mold to do that, but he has already incurred.
There
So
was one
technically-
incident, no?
Huh?
Where there was one incident where I think one of the Mandli members, I don't know who, I don't know whether it was Padri or whatever, somebody was irritating him a lot. So Padri went and complained to Baba, "Kid, just teacher unnecessarily is harassing me and every day purposely is doing this." So Baba said, "Wow, very good. Thank him for teaching you forbearance."
Correct.
I read this.
Yeah.
Right.
Thank you
Today
for
or yesterday only.
Someone chewing my
Yeah.
throat. Hey, wow, lovely. Thank you
Huh?
for giving me forbearance.
Are yesterday it was in the plane, huh?
True.
Which one?
Same thing. Absolutely, yeah. Go.
When he's-
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yesterday in the
play.
plane.
What was
So
the
Baba
story?
told him you should go thank him in fire.
Right.
Oh, that one.
Right.
Yeah.
Correct.
So if we can change our way to look at things that happen to us with Baba and say, okay, thank you, Baba. He got a chance to do whatever.
Correct.
Then there's no accumulation of new sanskars, karmas.
Then the accumulation is that you have got good karmas that you did not react. That's also a karma.
Actually,
But then
No, but then you're
Obviously.
offer it to
Everything
him and
is,
then-
everything is.
So offer it to him and then don't
Yeah,
have to do a shift.
if you are honestly honest and sincerely sincere in offering everything to him, yes, then there is no question of further amassing or.
Actually, every
Yes.
event of adversity is an opportunity to work on your
Absolutely.
karma. That is what it is.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we look at it
Only in
as
adversity
something.
it will happen. Yeah,
Yeah.
correct.
Yes.
What if in a case where let's say one person has done something and is not feeling sorry for it?
Why do you want him to feel sorry?
Situation.
That's an ego, isn't it?
Okay, not feeling sorry.
Huh.
The person who did that, whatever he did, the action towards another person is making that person feel guilty constantly. The person doesn't want to feel guilty because he says it's okay, whatever happened, happened. But if the person keeps goading, and at that point of time the person suddenly starts feeling guilty, then how does this play out? Because on his own the person is not feeling any guilt.
See, ultimately, irrespective of what the cause may be, if you have felt guilty, that itself was not the correct emotion that you should have exhibited, because if initially you
There
did
is no
not feel.
guilt.
Huh?
Let's say initially there is no guilt.
Initially,
But
correct.
there is
Someone
So the
feels
question is then you have
So
to.
why are you feeling it?
That no, see, one thing is there, whether person feels guilt or not, whether a person has a moral code. See, this guilt, all these are moral code of conduct. Some people don't have that moral code of conduct. It's not because the person doesn't have moral code of
Samya,
conduct.
the
The person has
question
forgiven
here
No,
is-
himself
ours is different.
and moved on. Now, let's say like a husband and a wife. Let's say the husband did something and hurt the wife.
No,
right?
put it other way around.
Whatever, it doesn't matter. There is wisdom, there is a lot of wisdom in the Yes. husband. The husband is saying, okay, I'm sorry, whatever happened, but now the wife constantly says, but you're not feeling sorry for what you did to me, you're not feeling guilty, you should be ashamed of what you did. Now that husband is over and done with it. He's not feeling that. But that goading happens up to a point where finally the husband then, either gets influenced by it or starts pretending just to,
Make them happy.
yeah, like, okay. But doesn't mean it from the heart because he knows that there is nothing to do
Then
it.
pretending
So
is
what's
better.
the yeah,
Question, yeah.
pretend
What was the
now.
question?
Yeah.
Even I forgot what the question was. I was trying to answer.
We were talking
Forgot.
about induced guilt in the
Induced guilt, yeah. My question was induced guilt. Yours is
If
not
It is
yours.
guilt, whether induced or
If-
self-induced.
If you
Guilt
have
is guilt.
allowed yourself to be induced in anything, then I think the law operates.
Induced.
So somebody made you feel guilty. You're guilty.
But you did initially. It's not yours. It's somebody else's.
It's still
Because you
you are
take it
experiencing
from
it.
Okay.
The moment you take
You take
it,
it
it has
from
become
this
yours now.
So if I
But
get,
that's not
You
fair.
bought
Then
it
what
now.
about the action
if I
of the
trigger
person
to be
who did
angry,
it?
Yeah.
it's a you.
That
You
will-
want to follow Baba.
No, that will also take its own course, na? That karma also is there, no? That he is trying to induce. For
Negative,
example, if I
yeah.
want to spoil somebody, let's say,
Right.
then I will keep on saying. Of course, my karmas are wrong because I am trying to. But if the person is giving in and getting spoiled, then again that karma is also there. So it's the same.
Okay.
It's all karma.
Okay.
And again, karma in what domain?
In what domain?
In illusion.
In illusion.
If it is, so it's all operational. The law of karma operates meticulously, precisely, all the time, under all circumstances. Whether it is first good and then gradually bad, or first bad and then gradually good, it doesn't. The same thing.
Cyrus, do you feel that nowadays, compared to what it used to be, say maybe 1990s or 1980s, the understanding of all these things is greater amongst
Much.
human souls,
I
even if they are not in touch with Baba? Like,
I think
oh
so.
yes.
Yes. Much.
Oh,
Is
yes.
it the understanding is
You know,
greater
you should
or
make
that we all
मैं तेरा खून
know
पी जाऊंगा.
we all know that everybody else
पी के
knows.
सुधर गए.
It's a difference.
Huh?
But see, isn't it, Cyrus?
Sorry.
It's a
Maybe
consciousness also.
no. Consciousness is one thing. Yeah, everyone said that in the 80s it's grown and it's changed towards higher whatever. Isn't it also that we know now that everybody else knows because everybody else knows about what everybody else is doing? Earlier we all had it in us. Huh? Okay, our grandparents also came from the same understanding, no? They didn't have a closed mind about
They had a
this.
very different DNA.
Yeah, so they also knew, but they didn't talk about it in the sansar and the community and all that. So you can't say that it didn't exist then.
But I guess
Perhaps
our conditioning changed. Our conditioning
See, as
is
and
much
whenever
different.
the avatar comes, he gives what Baba calls a universal spiritual push.
Right.
So the consciousness definitely takes an upward.
Right.
But I think what she's referring to is the last 20, 30 years.
Yeah.
And
There's a major difference.
there is, in the last 20 years, and also talking about the love and
I
belonging.
mean, there is more awareness.
There's more awareness.
That's what I'm saying.
Also
Is
the young
is it a function of the awareness that everybody else
It's
knows?
because everybody's talking about it.
Tap
actually.
of
Yeah,
love.
but that doesn't mean it didn't exist before. Just like
It
reporting
didn't
rape.
exist before because there was not much of communication. Look at it. We are all
That's what I'm
techno-savvy
saying.
right
Exactly what I'm saying.
now.
So
So now it's
exists-
becoming more and more. Even Aluba would be at a higher level of thinking than all of us.
Which is
No, so
Sorry?
it exists.
Sorry,
before.
Nikki also
needs to be
It exists before.
No, Alova.
The more you learn from, the more.
No, he's more aware, he's more techno-savvy, more aware than all of
So
us.
that's what I'm saying. Just because we didn't know about it then didn't mean
I
it
think,
didn't exist.
Correct.
It
Baba
existed.
It existed, but it didn't
Yeah.
reach us at that
Yeah.
time. It reached
Yeah.
it's reaching us now at this
I
point.
feel it was
Avtaric
not
age-
expressed or it was not
Avtaric
expressed
age
and
is the
shared.
spring tide of
And it
creation.
Baba
Yeah.
has said this
End of the
new
matter.
life will continue even if there's nobody to live
Live
it. What is the new life? All these values to keep away from anger, greed, lust, hatred, and to be cheerful. All these values are there, which will continue. So it's continuing. Like
Coming back
Cyrus
to-
beautifully. Sorry.
Sorry, no, go ahead.
No, like about the great spiritual push that comes in with Baba. Is it that we are seeing it now, right now, and like we didn't
Yes.
see 20, 30 years ago?
See, the point is.
And
that
after 20 years again, we will see
Much-
something
much-
much,
yeah,
much
yeah,
more.
Oh, yeah.
Because
And
Because when Baba
doesn't
talks
it also
about the
fun,
new
huh?
humanity,
We'll be 60 walking like
it's,
that.
yeah, it's coming to Satyug.
Yeah.
It's
when
coming
Baba
to
talks about the new humanity, that means Baba has worked so much for the new humanity to come, for the spiritual advancement, universal spiritual push. And as you rightly said, it's not that it was not there, but the awareness of that is improving. And as he rightly said, because, and Baba himself said, that the faculties that were being used only by limited persons, is now made use of by each and all. So, for example, in those times, spiritual person would just sit and meditate and they can see what is happening around the world without having to go there. Today we are doing the same thing through
With technology.
through technology.
Google Maps.
Like this
Just-
whole session will be viewed by 500 people in next 2 weeks.
Is it not?
3 incredible weeks. Next week.
Okay. Yeah, that nice yesterday was very good. Yeah. Very nice. So yes, it is. See the whole plan. We are talking about the eternal plan of God, of Baba, is that each and every soul must finally experience the truth. Must finally experience that I am one with the ocean, I am one with the Paramatma or Oversoul, what is it. And so it's been eternally going on, that machinery, and it will keep on going. So every time it is making a progressive aspect, even though it may appear to be going downwards, like in Kali Yuga appears to be going downwards. But as Baba has beautifully said, there is no creature which is not destined for the supreme goal, as there is no river which is not winding its way to the sea. So everything is going in that direction. All that we need to do is that we need to participate in that. In other words, make it easy for Baba to help himself, to awaken himself in us, in each one of us. Ultimately, his job is to do what? Baba says, I have come not to teach but to awaken. My understanding is awaken what? Awaken whom? Awaken himself. In himself, he is free. But in each one of us, he is bound. So the more we help him to help us to awaken him within us, it's easier. Now yesterday we completed winning his heart. My thoughts about it is, it's not who won or who got more marks. It is, the point is that we are working as a team. And when we are working as a team, each individual has their own whims and fancies, You may not like to talk with somebody, particularly not getting along well with somebody, but you are in the team and you are supposed to be in a drama and you are supposed to look at the face and smile and say, oh my, you're so good and so nice. So this is, the idea is not what we are doing for Baba, but what we are allowing Baba to do within us,
And through us.
and when we are doing it through us, when we are doing all that. So that is winning his heart. So I would say each participant, the very fact that you have said, okay, I want to participate in this activity, which means you have won, you already won the heart in a sense, Because that means now I'm bearing myself, now you come in and do whatever you want to do to me.
You're right, because every time when it begins, every year when we give in our name, in a week's time, I wonder why the hell I got into it. I don't have time to do this, don't have time. So I was speaking to my mother and I told her that the clothes are lying there, there's no place to sit down in the room, there's no place to sleep, and how it's all going on, but we're still running for rehearsals, everybody in different group, everybody running differently. And she said, my mother is so particular about her house, and she said whenever they have these sessions of, this anniversary and that anniversary of Baba's programs or legacy program, she said, I don't know what happens in the house, and that's the only way we get an opportunity to cut out ourselves from our routine lives and do something different and get a different experience, and which is so true, because if I didn't do this, I will not get that experience. I would be doing the same mundane routine.
Correct. And we would not have known that you are such a person, such a good actress. But I asked him whether she behaved like this at home.
He's saying natural. He's saying very natural.
I never said it's natural. She said it's natural.
It was so easy, I got it
So furious she was, shouting.
I thought she going to come from the stage to beat us up.
राकेश शॉपिंग ये तेरा घर नहीं है.
You really felt, no?
We had the finale yesterday.
What he felt?
He felt.
Mom is just going to come and fire me.
Anyway, so yes, what you are saying is so true. So that is the meaning of winning his heart, of giving out the forgiveness, the concern, the care, the humiliation that everyone goes through. Yeah, everyone goes through, That I may not get along very well with somebody, but now somebody is in the team, and here we are supposed to act and stand like this and talk. So you're supposed to do it.
But that always happens
You do it,
in any of the programs.
So it's good.
So
And
not
it
only
has
we are
brought-
good
It
directors,
has brought out the talents. It has brought out the talents of so many newcomers, new people. It's brought out so well that they can also act. Good. All right, continue.
Instead of men trying to forgive one another, they fight. Once they fought with their hands and with clubs, then with spears and bows and arrows, then with guns and cannon. Then they invented bombs and carriers for them. Now they have deployed missiles that can destroy millions of other men thousands of miles away, and they are prepared to use them. The weapons used change, but the aggressive pattern of man remains the same. Now men are planning to go to the moon, and the first to get there will plant his nation's flag on it, and that nation will say, "It is mine." But another nation will dispute the claim, and they will fight here on this earth for possession of that moon. And whoever goes there, what will he find? Nothing but himself. And if people go on to Venus, they will still find nothing but themselves. Whether men soar to outer space or dive to the bottom of the deepest ocean, they will find themselves as they are, unchanged, because they will not have forgotten themselves nor remembered to exercise the charity of forgiveness.
So nothing much to explain here except that